Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, and this is the featured app of the week, where I handpick a smartphone app. It's either useful or fun or both, but this week I think it's useful and annoying. If you're a content creator, you'll find lots of fun in this one. Stay tuned. So the featured app this week is called Voice Changer. That's right, Voice Changer. It's a free app, and it's little blue icons. So search the Google Play Store and the App Store for this one here, because there'll probably be plenty of voice changes in the app stores, but find this one. This is the one that I like. It's a little microphone that's smiling at you. It's kind of cute. Click on him to open him up. And we have a bunch of different options over here. We can access Voice Changer or save recordings as well. You can get more effects too if you want. By watching ads to give you 5 more effects. That's kind of cool. Or upgrade to the ad-free version. You can also remove ads for $3, so not too bad at all if you want to upgrade. And over here, we can import pre-recorded sounds, create voice from text, delete current recording or settings. There's low latency mode here in text-to-speech, so that's pretty cool. This is really easy to use. In fact, I'm going to guarantee that you'll be addicted to this app after using it 1 or 2 times. I guarantee you'll be addicted to it. So those are the menus, not too much to look at though, but the main feature of course is changing your voice, so I'll show you how to do that. Click on the microphone, then click again to record like this. Please subscribe to the Tech Eddy Show, hit that like button for us, comment, and we'll see you back here next time. And click to stop. Here's an ad, get rid of that pretty easily. And now you can play any one of the voice changing effects that you want. Some of these are really good, some are kind of cheesy, but it's probably really up to you what you think. My favorite ones are in here. Singing chipmunks, here we go. That's kind of cool, right? You can click the 3 dots over here and you can share it to social media. You can save the recording to your phone. You can also create an image with sound to share on Facebook, which is kind of a cool feature. Set as ringtones or set as a notification ringtone. So lots of cool features there for your voice changing effects. Let's try the drunk one. Please subscribe to the Tech Eddy Show. Hit that like button for us, comment, and we'll see you back here next time. Yeah, I had one too many wild turkeys there. Okay, you can also have a vocoder, which is really cool. This is like harmonic. It's really cool. Please subscribe to the Tech Eddy Show, hit that like button for us, comment, and we'll see you back here next time. And there's megaphones on here, small alien.
Please subscribe to the Tech Eddy Show, hit that like button for us, comment, and we'll see you back here next time.
So that's pretty cool. Again, there's about 20 effects built in right away, and you can get more effects by either watching the ad if you want to, or again, upgrading to the ad-free version. Again, it's only $3 to do that, so pretty cool. I do like the features of being able to, of course, share across social media or set as ringtones. It's pretty cool. So you can kind of make your own ringtones with this as well. So if you're into content creation, you'll find a lot of cool features and things here to use this for. And if you just want to annoy your friends, get Voice Changer for yourselves. And that wraps up this episode of the Tech Eddy Show, the featured app of the week. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that like button for us, subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time. In fact,
Please subscribe to the Tech Eddy Show, hit that like button for us, comment, and we'll see you back here next time.